Hello everyone, welcome to today's class. In the previous class, we learned the topic how to keep ourselves clean. And now we will study how to keep our home, school, and our neighborhood clean. First, we will discuss how to keep our home clean. Okay? Let's check what should we do. First one, we should keep the windows open. So, we should keep the windows open so that the fresh air and sunlight can come in because sunlight can kill the germs. Sunlight helps to kill the germs and viruses. So we should open the doors and windows to let in fresh air and sunlight. Okay? And when we keep the windows and doors open, sometimes the dust also flies in to the open windows and doors. So we have to clean our home by sweeping the floor every day. So we should sweep the floor every day with broomstick. Okay, so we want to sweep the floor every day. Then how should we clean our home? Yes, we should mop the floor every day. We should mop the floor every day. Can you see? A girl is mopping the floor. Can you see? So we want to mop the floor to clean it. Okay. Next, we should clean the toilet every day. So we have to clean the toilet every day. Then next one, we have to keep the kitchen clean and dry. So we have to clean our kitchen every day. And we want to keep the kitchen dry. So how should we keep our house clean? Yes, we should keep the windows and doors open and we should sweep the floor every day. We should mop the floor every day. We should clean the toilet every day and we have to keep the kitchen clean and dry. All of you know we are very close to our home. So we should also keep our home clean to stay healthy. Okay. Next, we spend most of our time at school. So we should keep our classrooms and school clean. Now let's check how should we keep our school clean. Okay. First one, we should throw pencil shavings in dustbin. If you put the pencil shavings outside the dustbin, it will make our classroom dirty. So, all of you put the pencil shavings in the dustbin. Okay. Next one, we should not throw pieces of papers on the floor. So, can you see this picture? It is very dirty classroom, isn't it? And who make it dirty? Yes, children like you make the classroom dirty by throwing the papers outside the dustbin, isn't it? So, please don't do this. All books must be kept back neatly in bag or in the shelf. So, after using the book, we must keep it in the bag or in the shelf. Okay. Next one, we must pick up any rubbish we find lying on the ground. So whenever you see any rubbish flying on the ground, you must be take it and put it in the dustbin. Okay. Next one, the wall must not be scribbled on. Okay, can you see this picture? What these children doing there? Yes, they are right on the school wall and make it dirty. What do you think? Is it good? No, it is very bad habit. So you should not do this in your school and in your home. Okay? Next we will discuss how to keep our surroundings clean. Okay? We want to keep our surroundings and our public places clean. Our surroundings means our neighborhood. Our neighborhood belongs all of us. So, it is our duty to keep the streets, roads and public places clean. Okay, how should we do this? Let's check. First one, we should keep the streets clean. So, we want to keep the streets clean. Never put any waste on the road, any other public places. It will make our neighborhood dirty. And whenever you see the places are very dirty, we want to clean it because we belongs to this neighborhood. If we want to be healthy, we want to make it clean. Okay, so never put waste near any public places. Next one, we must make sure that everyone throw the garbage only in the dustbin. So it is our duty to make sure that everyone throws the garbage only in the dustbin. And if anyone not putting the waste in the dustbin, we want to tell them to do so. Okay. Next one, we should not destroy the plants around us and we must not pluck flowers from it. Plants and trees helps to keep the air fresh and clean. So, we must not destroy plant and must not pluck flowers. Instead, we want to take care of them. How should we take care of them? Yes, we want to water them daily. And one more thing, we must try to plant more trees. So we must try to plant more trees because plants and trees gives us food and fresh air, which is very essential for our survival. So we want to plant more and more trees. Okay? So these all will help us to stay healthy and active. Today we discussed how should we keep our home, school and surroundings clean. So don't make the places dirty and don't allow others to do this. Okay? We will see again in the next class with a new chapter. Thank you.